Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, I have my new STICKII. Yeah, it's STICKII. It is a monthly subscription where I get stickers. I get all kinds of fun stickers, and I found out about this through the Advent Calendar series when I bought the 25 Days of STICKII, I think was the name of their Advent Calendar, and we had a choice of choosing either cute, vintage, or pop, and I chose cute, and I have still chosen cute even through this series. I can tell you that the subscription is $12 a month with $1 shipping, so it's $13 total. I'm sure there's tax involved probably, but I just, that at $13, so $13 plus tax. And each month you get a sleeve. And I didn't know that because last month I did get a sleeve, and this month I have another sleeve, and see how it's perforated? So you can get you a little binder. I guess that's like a 6x9 or 5x7 binder, and you can keep all your stickers all intact. And each month you will get this, and you will get different stickers. And I just think that's a lovely idea. I will tell you, I used all the Christmas stickers and I ran out. But I really like this, and I like that it comes all organized, and that it's going to give me a new booklet that I can keep stickers in and keep it organized. So we're going to go through here and see what stickers I got for the month of December. And a lot of these things on this side I'm not real familiar with, and sometimes y'all have to tell me what they are, because I don't know, I guess this is just a special kind of stickers, and it's got them in a little envelope here. And let's check this out. And maybe it's for crafting, and I don't do crafts, but I think they're stickers. I think they're bunny stickers. Aren't those cute? Up there's a bunny. They must be all bunnies. And that's a bunny. Very cute. Yeah, and they're little individual stickers. So, and it's got a special little place to keep them in. And that'll be good for when Easter rolls around. And this is my January packet. And it says on here, Year of the Bun Bun. So I guess in the Chinese, maybe it's the Year of the Bun Bun. It says, get excited for sticky storage. Stay organized by placing the themed stickers on the front and back and corners of your sticky storage insert. And it says, upgrade now. So then it's just a little advertisement then. But there you go. So I can use those on the corners of my sticky notebook. And I think that's what I was told that they could do. And then inside here, we have another, I think, card where I can decorate stickers. I did find out what these little books are. It's where you can use your stickers, and it's a place for you to decorate. It's like a little booklet, so it's like a little crafting booklet, and you can put your stickers on there. And or you could even write a little note and add stickers on there. This looks like a little notebook. So maybe each month it's something different. So I still don't know what I'm doing with this, right? That looks like it could be like you could even do a to and from on there if you wanted to. But it's got the shamrocks on there, so that would be good for in March when we have St. Patrick's Day coming up. So very cute, very cute. And as y'all can tell, I'm still learning about STICKII. Now, my cute little stickers that I have are just adorable. And let's go through those real quick. They're kind of sticking to each other. We got this one set of stickers, and aren't those cute? Look at that, like the little bunny and the Tweety bird. I like that one with the egg yolk covering them up for covers. Aren't those just so precious, so cute? And then we have some more fun little stickers, and these are in pink and purple. And they have bunny rabbits on them because it's the Year of the Bun Bun. So we're going to have lots of different little bunnies and stickers. So these will all be great for during Easter time, I think. Look at these. Just a bunch of white, I guess almost looks like embossed looking bunny rabbits. Very, very cute. I think down in the corner that might be the designer of those particular stickers. I think they have that on each one. You can see that they've been designed, and or maybe it's just by STICKII on that one. But this one here has a little name. So yeah, some of them have been specially designed and they give them credit. And then this one here, isn't this cute? This is like with the shamrocks, and it's hard to find and lucky to have. And very cute, and again going along with the bunny theme. And then we have the Foxy CSC as the designer of these. Very cute. All the stickers I've had so far have been really, really cute. And then these are just a bunch of mixed stickers. I know my light's hitting it where you can see all those sparkles and everything, but it's got cake and bunnies and all kinds of things. Maybe I have it upside down. No? Just very cute. So those would be great for birthday cards. Yeah. It looks like here we might have a bunch of Easter eggs. And I'm just assuming that. I'm not quite sure. But it's a whole page full of them. So that's just some more things you can use for decorating and crafting. We got quite a few stickers. We got an envelope. This here's an envelope with a bunny. And you know, if you got a money gift that you're going to send out to somebody, that would be a nice little envelope to send out for them. And then we got some more stickers. So it's very cute and very, very spring-like, which I know we're in winter, but it won't be long and we'll have spring. And I really like my stickers. What do y'all think? I think I got a nice variety of stickers for the Bun year. And so we have these stickers, and I like them all. And then of course we got our little sleeve. So this was STICKII for December 2022, and I'm sure you can still get these if you order soon if you're interested. And like I said, a monthly subscription is only $12 a month. It's very inexpensive. And they're very cute, and it's just something fun to have. And if you do crafts, or if you have children that like stickers and you want to reward them with stickers, you could use them for that. You can use them in your mailers. That's what I do. And of course, if you're a crafter, then these kind of stickers could probably do all kinds of things for you as far as in your development and in your creations. Because guys, I know you all have a lot of created material and ideas, and I am just, when I see some of the crafters finished products and their do-it-yourself products and our items that they do for their home, I'm just amazed. Just so talented. There's just so many talented people out there, and you know, God made us that way, and that's wonderful that we all each have our talents. And I'm going to use my stickers mostly for mail, just so that you know that's what most of mine are used for. And I'll probably hand some out to my grandkids because I'm sure they'll probably like some of these stickers. So that's all I have today for STICKII, and I hope you liked my stickers. And which were your favorites? My favorites in this one, I liked the little shamrock, and I actually liked the plain, the white ones that looked embossed. So these were my two favorites. What's yours? If I picked a fun favorite, it'd be this one because I like the way they've got the little bunny and the chick on there. So there's just so many different ones to pick from. But you let me know what your favorite is down in the comments. And as for STICKII, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for any current collaborations and or giveaways. And as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.